Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to another live stream. We do these live streams almost every day right now. So if you're watching this not live, enjoy the rerun. Just gonna be chill stream today. Just gonna be, we're just gonna see what's happening with Bitcoin. There's only one little problem. I think we can maybe surpass that. But problems are there to be solved. And I like what who was it? Jack Sparrow said. The problem is not the problem. Your attitude about the problem is the problem. What's up, the center plan? Ron Adopter, XRP, are you on that train right now? 5%, what? XRP, man, XRP. Let's put the lines. Ooh, man, that's nice. Unfortunately, no, it is breaking towards the upside. Oh, this is insane, man. XRP, did not see that. Oh, this is nice. It is breaking this towards the upside. It is breaking this, very small, rising wedge. Is it rising wedge? Yeah, rising towards the upside. Oh, that's nice. Demjan, Mladen, Kaspars, Bjornar. Hi, man. How you doing? By the way, Bjornar, I got a new crypto channel for you, man. I got a new crypto channel for you. It's called Kryptovaluta Norge. You gotta subscribe to these guys, man. You gotta subscribe to these guys. This guy, you gotta watch yesterday's stream. I don't know if you, Bjornar, if you've been here yesterday, but we had the live stream yesterday. And this guy that is a mod at Kryptovaluta Norge, he paid 1,000 Bitcoin for a broken cup. It's hilarious. But he's a Norwegian guy. You should follow him. Kryptovaluta Norge. It's a nice stream. I gotta give all the descriptions to them. Hey man, I've been watching XRP as well. It looks like everybody's watching XRP, so we're gonna talk about XRP. GMT was pumped today, good. Today is Monday. How is stock market doing right now? Stock market closed 0.04%. No, it did not close. S&P minus 0. Let's see on the daily time frame. It just hit, didn't do much. See what these alts are doing. I guess BTC dominance made local top. Haven't checked BTC dominance in a while, guys. Let's put, just by looking at the chart, you cannot see actually what's going on. I would say it goes from over here, somewhere up here, like this, right? Because it's not this one up here, because it looks like it's down here. Usually it's something like this up here. And then you got this down here, right? What's up, Hubert? How you doing, man? GMT was be over 40%. XRP to $1. Era pumped a bit after this afternoon. Yeah, so all coins will pump. Some coins will pump like 40%, other coins will pump 20%. Some goes slower, some goes faster. The thing is, GMT, the thing is that wow, this actually released not that long ago, man. 9th March. What is GMT? GMT. What is GMT? GMT. Green Metaverse. Which of these ones? Which one? Probably this one up here, since it's on top. 25%. Yeah, started 3rd, 10th. Yeah, it might be this one. Is this one? Maybe it's this one. Dude, XRP, yeah, I see everybody wants to talk about XRP. We're gonna get to XRP, no worries, guys, no worries. On that, it's best to see XRP breakout, yeah. Ara pumped a bit for this. Check the daily chart, it golden cross. Daily chart, golden cross. Daily chart, golden cross. We don't have golden, we are not even close to golden cross. on the daily. I mean 50 is all the way down here, and 200 is at 48,000, so golden cross is way behind, but we are curving this up towards the upside, so maybe it shows we will be getting action. Can you please check ETC pump my era og? Yeah, to stream. Where are you, bullish or bearish? XRP pumping. Everybody's literally talking about. Okay, let's talk about XRP, guys. Let's talk about XRP. I'm already looking at this 95 up level up here. 200 moving average down there. Let's see how the weekly lines are looking at. No divergence up here, getting the bullish cross. So MACD is getting bullish cross on the weekly. There is no divergence on the weekly time frame. Trying to climb this 20 moving average up here. Very nice. So all in all, it does look legit. But this is weekly time frame, and this candle up here is not yet closed. Still got something like 6 days left. We can definitely start getting a little bit bullish. Let's see how this looks on daily chart. On daily chart, we are, like we said, we are breaking out of this rising wedge up here towards the upside. The question is, will this become just this week? At the end of the day, there are still three and a half hours left, so this can definitely pull back inside if something major happens on the downside. Let me see up here. Let me see 2-day chart up here. Do we have any kind of divergence? No divergence on daily, weekly. There is no divergence or anything like that. And this is nice bullish cross up here. So I don't know, guys. Do you know something I don't know about XRP? Did XRP do the settlement? Is something happening with XRP that somebody is not telling me? Why did we pump? Why did it pump? I mean, it has been climbing nicely. Suddenly just bam, right up. Something happened right over here. 21st, 1855. Something happened. This is going pretty fast towards the upside though. I forgot to mention XRP. I think we are going through a dead cat bounce, man, on long term. How about EOS? Nice move so far. I've taken some profits on my trade. Just curious what your thoughts are. EOS, man, I don't like looking at EOS, man. It just saw, an uninspiring coin. Yeah, it's 7% towards the upside. Sorry, this is 5-minute chart. Yeah, it has a nice move towards the upside. Is the weekly broken? Yeah, weekly looks like it's broken, man. So this looks very good for EOS. But this is start of the week. You still got 6 days left. If you close like this above here, on the weekly time frame, then you can say that this downtrend is broken. But technically right now it's still not broken, because this can just be a big weekend. It can end in green, in red down there. So, but it is nice move towards the upside. It is climbing above this 50 moving average up here. But yes, such an uninspiring coin. It does literally nothing. Can you pump Harmony, sir? Ripple fair notice was accepted. I don't know what fair notice is. Is this good or bad? A Ripple buyback. Okay, something's happening with Ripple and XRP or something like that. Let's try to figure out news. Let's do it like this. Ripple XRP. Let's go to the news and see. Ripple settlement trigger XRP. This is 2 days ago. Recent past 24 hours. SEC has the best met against Ripple in a report. XRP price swallows sellers as Ripple marches higher. Price as momentum returns. Ripple technology to be used by Canadian top bank for cross-border payments. Details. It's interesting. Top 3 price predictions are up. Top 4. I don't know. I don't know what happened there. Ripple's technology to be used by Canadian's top bank. We're excited to be working with CIBC and have already partnered with them in using Ripple's blockchain technology to complete international payment transfer between our banks as a proof of concept. Proof of concept. I mean, you have been around, for 10 years. Shouldn't, proof of concept be done with? Is there any news? I don't know. Some people say there is some kind of news, but you know, it didn't pop like 50%, it popped 10%, but people are talking about it because this looks like a legit move. You know, this looks like a legit move out of this rising wedge towards the upside. Now this is not finished. That's why I'm always saying it's not finished move. This is a daily time frame. We need this to close up here, and then it's gonna be finished move. Unfortunately, right now, not quite yet there. So let's just clean all the lines up here, because you know sometimes there is too many lines on the screen. Means they were not given a fair notice by SEC before they took them to court. Yeah, but I still don't know what that means. You know, is it good or is it bad? What does it mean for you know development of the case? I don't know what fair notice is. Sorry about that. That was old news. It was over a week ago. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it was news. Maybe it just broke the trend. You know, maybe just you know maybe you're just climbing slowly. You know, let's look at this on the hourly time frame. Maybe it was just climbing. We gotta look at it 4 hourly. Too much data. Maybe it was just you know nicely climbing towards the upside. You know, and suddenly you know decide, hey man, let's pump it up here because you know it's climbing support. You know, higher highs, higher lows. Still keeping this you know 10 moving average, and then you know traders went you know ballistic towards the upside. It could be that. Sometimes you know just traders that are moving the price. Who knows, right? But it is breaking towards the upside, right? But we do not want one of these weeks up here. But you can see here this was a very big candle towards the upside with a big wick. So right now it looks like it's consolidating right up here at the top up here. So the best case scenario right now for XRP is to stay above the line. That's 83, something like that. 83.5 or something like that. Stay up here, just consolidate up here, wait for these moving averages, and then you know continue pumping towards the upside. I think that's like the best case scenario. But this is not, I mean, on the 4 hourly it looks like it broke out. Definitely broke out on the 4 hourly. This is actually closed. We don't want to have you know any kind of move towards downside, back inside. You know, sometimes that can happen, do something like this and then back inside. On these small time frames, but you know the daily, I would be looking at the daily to get any kind of confirmation for this breakout towards the upside. Now we got some you know short-term local resistances up here that needs to be broken. You can see here that some of these are broken. You can see here this one up here and this one up here. So these two are broken, but right now hitting this 85 and the next one is 87. I would say if we can, you know, this is local resistance, right? But I would say, you know, above 87, closing above 87, maybe creating some kind of higher high up here. That would be very bullish, right? But this is a nice move, but you know, we still need to wait, you know, for the rest of the day to see, you know, how this is actually going to close at the end of the day. Izam, how you doing, man? Break it down, can I just use to transfer Canada? So just Canada dollar needed. Now Canada Australia is up. They may be using XRP to bridge between the different currencies. Ooh, okay. But you know, they are using the technology, so that's always good. Good for Ripple, fair warning that what they are doing, fair warning, good for Ripple. Fair warning that what they are doing is wrong, and how to fix it means they can argue you never told. What? The fair notice means XRP was not warned and properly informed of potential wrongdoing. This is bullish for XRP. Okay, that I can understand. Who cares about Ripple XRP? Such a big market cap. What can it do from here? 5-10x, need a large amount of money in it to make money, really. So we should not talk about it then. Maybe we should stop talking about Ethereum and XRP and Bitcoin as well. Maybe you should stop talking about anything, you know, in top 100, and you just talk about, you know, small caps. Nah, it's not. That's not how this works, man. That's not how this works. We talk about everything. It's going to have a trillions, possibly quadrillions pumped through it. Yeah, but just because, you know, if those quadrillions can, you know, go a little bit my way, I will be happy. Unfortunately, you know, they're not. Just saying. Yeah, I get it, man. Also, it has unlimited supplies, yet sits at thousands. After 20 hours, finally my long on XRP move in the good direction. Which video can be seen setting for moving average line? Which video can be seen for setting for moving average lines? Which video? There is no video. You just go, you know, click this button up here. You write move. You just can write MA. You get this moving average updated. You click that. And you get, you know, now I have 5, but you know, you get a new one, and then you click this up here, and then you write whatever moving average you want. 10 moving average, 20, 50, 200, 666 moving average, you know, any kind of, this is 666 moving average. So there you go, that's the only video you need. Quadrillions coming our way. We shall buy yachts and small castles and fly around in private jets. Sounds like fun. But you know, when I'm thinking millions, the only thing I'm thinking of, you know, is taking the kids to, you know, Disneyland or something like that. You know, maybe taking a private jet to Disneyland, that would be nice. But you know, we're gonna wait with that until we get to the quadrillions our way. Sasha, welcome. What's up, Salim? How's Selena? You two doing good? Pump. No pump yet on BTC. Unfortunately, BTC is inside this triangle, and you know, it doesn't look that bad yet. You know, it is going down here towards this moving. You can see right on the moving average, it got support. That's what we said. You know, that's what we said. You know, it might just, you know, consolidate here up. You know, it's only if you break down below the moving average that, you know, the troubles arises. Breaking towards the upside actually becomes very nice. But these moving averages right up here, right down here, you know, they are very important. You see here it got, you know, immediate support and, you know, bounced towards the upside. It didn't bounce up or anything like that, but you know, it did bounce. You know, it got support and it keeps keeping this support right now. This is actually very good. This is actually very good. Let me just see up here. Yeah. Don't take away my hopium, boat pump. So, as the thumbnail said, there is just one problem. Now, the problem is not the problem, you know, it's our attitude about the problem that might be the problem, but you know, somebody mentioned it yesterday, and I said that, you know, it's not played out, and still haven't been playing out, but it's on the weekly time frame, and the only problem right now is this. The only problem right now is this, you know, hidden bearish divergence, or just regular divergence, whatever you, this is going towards the upside, the price is going down, this is going up. It looks like it might have a pullback on the downside, right? This is not played out yet. Still got 6 days left for this candle to play out, so you know, it's a long game. It's a long game. If you can get a green candle above, you know, 42.5 or something like that, if you can get a green candle above, there will be no divergence on the chart and everything is good and dandy. Unfortunately, if you fail, you know, in the next 6 days, you know, to pump up here and stay up here at the end of the 6 days, we might just be seeing this, you know, hidden bearish divergence. Is this hidden bearish divergence just a regular divergence? Oh man, divergences side. This chart up here. So price is going down. No, it's hidden. Okay, so it's hidden bearish divergence. Hidden bearish divergence. Hidden bearish divergence. So then we got a hidden bearish divergence, mean, you know, price might move a little bit to the downside. Hidden bearish divergence doesn't mean that price is gonna go down to zero or anything like that. That's not how these divergences work. It just means that it might reverse a little bit, you know. So when people seeing these divergences, you know, they might, you know, take some shorts, go a little bit down. As soon as it does something like this, it's already played out. So technically, you can just, you know, continue, you know, again, blasting towards the upside again, right? So this doesn't have to be the problem. Like I said, you know, the problem is not the problem, it's your attitude about the problem that's the problem. XRP is now a full go on the Ichimoku cloud, target level of 88, 1 and 110, first barrier 88, then recess, no hopium, straight charts only. Not sure about the last part, but let me see that 88. Yeah, I mean, the last one up here is at 87. This is on the weekly, but you know, local up here is at 87. Yeah, 88, give or take. I would say 87777 to be precise. But you know, we are accepting all in the ballpark answers. All in the ballpark answers. So this looks, you know, it needs to get above the 88 up here, you know, to do some nice moves. That said, now I forgot what I just thought about something. What was it? Yeah, Ichimoku cloud. Let's look at Ichimoku cloud. You know, I don't like Ichimoku cloud. I think it's too confusing. But you know, everybody got something. Ichimoku cloud. So yeah, this Ichimoku cloud actually did consolidate on the up here. You can see every time it consolidates, I think something big happens. See here? So every time you got these consolidations, something big happens. I'm not saying it's gonna go up and down. This is just the first thing I noticed on Ichimoku clouds. So right now we got this consolidation of the clouds and the averages and stuff like that, right? So you cannot see WTF what's happening, but you know, every time there's something like this happens, you got some kind of move happening, right? So this is because you know Ichimoku cloud will do this because you know it's consolidation pattern. So any kind of consolidation pattern anywhere, right, will create these you know squeezes on the Ichimoku cloud as well, of course. And then something has to happen, right? Even this move down here, it you know something happened big down here. This looks really trippy down here. You can see something pumped towards the upside, right? So when you have these, you know, squeezes on Ichimoku cloud, something big happens, just like Bollinger Bands. When you get squeezes, it means that, you know, volatility is dying out, something needs to happen, and something needs to happen big, right? But so people are looking at this move above the cloud, right? But you know, we had the move above the cloud up here, but you know, this is second move above the cloud. Let's look at a weekly time frame. Now, somebody can, you know, if somebody is good at analyzing Ichimoku clouds and stuff like that, can you tell me what this means on the weekly time frame? If you know, I am not really good at analyzing Ichimoku clouds. I don't use the indicator, you know. Koinski says something about a golden cross on XRP that might be the reason of a pump, man. Golden cross on XR there is no golden cross. We got a that cross, you know, golden cross, that, so this is that cross, golden cross, that cross, and no golden cross. But what is happening is this curvature. You see here curvature, that's happening, that's the bottom, that's you know, change direction. As soon as it starts going towards the line, you know, eventually you will get this you know, bullish cross at the end of the line. Right now we are looking at Bitcoin. Sorry, this is Bitcoin. Sorry, XRP. Yeah, XRP is also doing the same thing. You can see the 50 moving average going towards the upside, this is going towards the downside. They will you will get bullish cross eventually on the XRP, but it's not yet. But you know, this is more important, this down here, you know these curvatures. You can see how it curves here, but it curves in a different direction. So it can do like this and to the downside. there is no certainties in life. Weekly no buy now on Ichimoku. Have to wait for trend. Weekly no buy on Ichimoku. Oh man. So what does this green stuff means on the weekly? Is there a quick explanation of Ichimoku cloud explanation? Just show me the stuff, man. Just show me the stuff. Senku span, yeah, it's some kind of cloud. Don't make me do this. Somebody just tell me if this is good or bad, you know, for me. But because it is holding support, some kind of support. I don't know. I cannot interpret. I'm saying it right now. I cannot interpret Ichimoku cloud. Have never when price is in the cloud, no buy. So it's above the cloud or below the buy. Okay. So above here or below there, right? So right now we went into the cloud. Okay, so into cloud. Can we remove these other lines that we don't need? Style, conversion line, we don't need baseline. You know, we just want the cloud. We like the cloud. So what can we see up here? This went pretty fast below the cloud. This went into the cloud, and then it went above the cloud. So we want this actually technically just to, you know, jump up above the cloud. This is not a buy, it's inside the cloud, man. Running through the cloud. It is having the support on the cloud though. There's different settings too that reflect the crypto market being 24/7 and not a 5-day market like traditional markets is default to. Okay. Precision, labels, values, blah, 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 blah. Availability, displacement, snap baseline. No clue how to set that though. Point of Ichimoku is that is predicting price for the next 26 time zones. Yeah, I can see that. It is predicting price. Oh, it is predicting this cloud, but you know, I don't know how it's predicting. You know what? Let's not do that. You know, go to whoever is good at Ichimoku cloud and do that. You know, forming red, not good. Yeah, forming. But you know, this red can, you know, just go someplace up here, and then you have no red. Right? That should show you that indicator is not a strong one. Goldman Sachs bought a bunch of Bitcoin recently, dude. They bought like also like 10 years ago, not 10 years ago, like 2 years ago or something like that. They bought 5 years ago, something like that. I don't like either. Too complicated. Like I can sit down, I can try to analyze, I can try to figure it out, but you know, it just takes too long time, you know, and I haven't seen too many people using it. So in my opinion, not for prediction, it's for trend following and with great exit and entry signals. Fortifies is good at it, but wrong a lot. Fortifies, who is Fortifies? I'm guessing it's some kind of YouTube, right? Crypto. Some guy Fortify crypto. Not this guy. Not this guy. Nope. I don't know. So much trouble is ADA at the moment. 50 minute doesn't look good. Too great. Don't look at 50-minute chart, man. Zoom out. You know, nobody got anything good out of the 50-minute chart. One way to put stop loss at the bottom of the cloud. So you put stop loss at the bottom of the cloud. Wow. You know where I would put stop loss? Like, I wouldn't wait for the cloud, man. I wouldn't wait for the cloud. Depends on how tight stop loss. Stop loss down here, no. Like most people will put the stop loss down here, right? Down here if it goes below that level. But you know, even nah, not like that. Fortifies guy in Dubai. Ooh. The Ichimoku seems to say nobody gets their way, we go sideways forever now. Ooh, Fortifies YouTube, he's big. I just did Fortifies YouTube, but you know, nothing popped up. Come on, like the stream, people. 94 and all the 36 likes. It's okay. Fortifies YouTube, I don't know how, you know, Fortifies. I'm gonna write Fortifies Bitcoin. Aksher Ponoshk. Oh, there is a Norwegian channel, Aksher Ponoshk.
Hadde det ikke bare vært utrolig deilig?
I don't know who this guy is. The Intelligent Investors, the book. Can you be okay with just one fund when stock fall worldwide? I do this stock savings account. Start with stocks and funds. Yeah. It looks like he talks a lot, so it's not my thing though, it's not my thing.
Noe cirka 20.
Yeah, he just talks too much, not my thing, man. But you know, good luck with your channel, man. Nice thumbnails, but you know, not my thing. Not my thing. Remove the T. Okay, remove the T. Fortifies. Similar fortifies. This guy. Is this guy? Four flies. Did I Fort flies? Four flies. This guy. That's the guy? Wrong person. You spelled the name wrong. No T in the name. Similar four flies. Ah, this is guy. Okay. So he does the Ichimoku cloud. I'm going all in Ethereum this shot 3 days ago. Oh, he does use Ichimoku cloud. Yeah, I seen this guy before. I think I even subbed this guy on the other one, but
completely change the way you're watching Bitcoin, but primarily also Ethereum. Now, whatever happens to Ethereum is probably going to be happening to Bitcoin, I believe, and Ethereum right now is showing a beautiful amount of strength right here. Look at that. It's just breaking out of its bearish descending triangle that it's been in for quite a while. This is actually a video I wanted to make last night, but I just didn't have a chance. And take a look at this. We've got a lot of strength coming in for Ethereum against Bitcoin right now. It bounced off perfectly from my support zones, now closing in on my resistance zone. I'll talk about all of this in just a minute, but what I really want to focus your attention on right now is something that's potentially indicating Ethereum rallying up to the mid $3,000 level, or potentially way higher, 5, 10k, whatever. And I'm going to show you how I came to these numbers. Now, the first key thing that I want you guys to keep in mind is if we take a look at this chart on a fresh chart that I haven't drawn anything on, there's a specific thing that I think is very important to talk about, and it's to do with candles, individual candles. You know, there's a lot of different analysis you can do. You can do support resistance lines, you can do, you know, whatever, indicators and so on. But one of the key forms of analysis that I really enjoy is just candlestick analysis. And we have something called bullish engulfing candles patterns, where what you see in the chart sometimes is that one candle actually stretches longer.
We get
3
it.
and 4 candles now. That is a lot of eclipsing for one candle, right? And the thing is this is not, it's almost a little bit too early to talk about this because it's
this is
Friday,
not bullish engulfing, it's not how it works, man.
I saw this as
okay,
$4,000 right here.
whatever.
Had in my opinion to the upside.
Candles are not
I
your thing. Let's look at Ichimoku cloud. Where is the Ichimoku cloud, man?
Several different ways, popping like a stone. That RSI is getting dropped.
Any Ichimoku cloud. I'm appreciating any Ichimoku cloud talk, man. Any talk about Ichimoku cloud. Come on. Anywhere. Wrong with you. Okay, no Ichimoku cloud. Maybe talks Ichimoku cloud, you know, attention BTC holders. Okay, maybe
Whales
here.
in this market are potentially doing something very big, and I want to break this down.
Yeah.
Quite a strong sign for Bitcoin. It's just
where did you talk about Ichimoku cloud? Anywhere, right, just talk a little bit about Ichimoku cloud, man. I appreciate it. Not talk about Ichimoku cloud, man. BT, it's emergency. Okay,
Bitcoin has just entered a potentially very dangerous situation. A lot of people were talking about this, and you know, now obviously with the offensive,
1 hour,
you know, really slowing down, and the war kind of, you know, it's almost been at somewhat of a stalemate for a couple of days according to what we've been seeing. Again, obviously the news is absolutely not bad. Even some progress with the peace talks and so on with you guys, and just bring us back to the technicals, because if we take a look at the Ichimoku cloud right here, yeah, Bitcoin did use it a little bit, but we didn't get a single real bounce out of the cloud on the hourly time frame.
So we are looking for the bounce. We are looking for the bounce on the cloud, right? So Ichimoku cloud. This Bitcoin. Let's go this chart up here. Ichimoku cloud. This is daily, this is weekly, right? So he says, you know, bounce. So you can bounce. You can definitely bounce.
Have some support on the EMA ribbon as well if we wait for real rejection. Still think it's worth taking this support. We have failed. And when we look at the main area of resistance that I've been talking about on this YouTube channel, yeah, Bitcoin has managed now to get a very real rejection from this one-day Ichimoku cloud. And if we measure it from the high to our current price right now, Bitcoin has seen a 13% rejection after trading within this cloud.
Daily. So, I don't know, is his chart a little bit different than mine? Because this is daily chart on mine and this is daily chart on his, but 1, 2, yeah, okay. 1, 2. Why isn't his and mine Ichimoku cloud the same? This is daily chart, but his is not the same as mine. 20, 60, 120, 30. Okay, I get it. 20, 60, 120, 30, right? Yeah, there we go. There we go. So right now we have the same Ichimoku cloud. He's got a video about Ichimoku cloud. Yeah, but I don't want to. I just want to see a little bit talk, you know, so I see what he does, you know, and you know, get the feel for what he's looking at, and then you know I can try to, you know, figure it out. Smash like, but Imam Fortfly is the guy to learn Ichimoku. Better to just find tooth or read up on it, since it's quite advanced. Yeah, it might be, you know, it's too complicated for my taste. Better people to learn Ichimoku cloud anyways. I don't know, I just want somebody to talk about cloud. I'm not looking to learn cloud. 100% cloud, like Satoshi, stacker coins, it's always signal flashing, always energy, always. Never mind the scammer channels viewed and the... come on, man. No, because of the previous high, not because of the cloud. Are you drinking milk or some rare alcoholic beverage? No, this is milk. Evening is for milk, man. It calms me down, you know. If you take Coke or anything like that, it gets you too, you know. Right now, you can hear the music in the background, you know. We're chilling, and that's why you need milk, man. How to Master Ichimoku Cloud by Greg Sacker through Skip 320. Yeah, we are not learning. I just want to see something. Hello from Manchester. Hi, man. I would read a book. He did some really sketchy callouts, and BTC went the other way, so I stopped following. Okay, but let's see a little. You know, I don't have anybody else, so let's see a little bit.
This shouldn't be coming as a surprise to us. We knew that there would be a lot of resistance in this cloud, while the rest of the market was getting very, very much less bearish.
So clouds has support and resistance. Okay, I get it. I don't know why he's using these numbers for whatever reason. 2060, 120, 30 displacement. No clue. Let me see here if he just display. So you can actually, you know, fit the narrative, whatever you feel it works the best. This is upper, this is entire cloud, this is probably lower. Yeah, so this is lower. Let's try to fit it. First thing first, you know, we're gonna remove these over here. So we're gonna try to fit this, you know, with our narrative, whatever that is, right? So let's see up here. Maybe move down here. Now let's displacement. Can you go lower? No, you cannot go lower. One. So let's see up here. Okay, that's displacement. Let's see this upper one. Yeah, we're gonna fix the upper one. Let's fix the 70, 60. See how it goes nicely. We want it like it to be very nice above the. We want everything to be rejected, right? 110. 110 seems to be legit, right? Over here, it's still, you know, down. Okay, and now we can use this one up here for the upper one. So we wanna find the real numbers. No, this is, you know, what? Yeah, because this is upper, this is upper. So you just look at lower always. Okay, I get it. So this is, you know, and this is, yeah. But it doesn't have to always be like that. 110, 17. Yeah, 110 seems fine. 110 seems fine. What's this over here? These two are the same. Convention line and base line, you know, is the same line, you know. 1 1 1 1. Okay, it's a little bit differently, but you know, this just pulls it on the side. Yeah, it went. This looks nice. This is nice. Rejection. So these numbers are nice, right? So you want something that confirms our bias, right? So yeah, nicely still above cloud, below cloud. Blah, blah, blah. This is zigzag above the cloud. We like this, okay? So we like these consolidations where a zigzag above the cloud. Do we have anything like that right now? See, guys, we're learning. We just figuring out, you know, how this works. We just pick the numbers and it's all good. Right now, downtrend. Now these downtrends, how do they get broken? Usually just straight, you know, just straight move through the cloud. See how nice support on the cloud. Bam, right up there again. Let's see how this looks on the weekly time frame. Yeah, so right now you can see even here, you know, we got here very nice support on the cloud. Drop down, but right back up again. You see here, still got support on the cloud. Still green cloud, no problem. Best for learning Ichimoku trading rush and no nonsense forex. Yeah, I'm not gonna learn Ichimoku. I'm just doing it because it's funny, you know, to move the lines. So let's go to the daily time frame. What can we learn from this? Like, do we have? Is there anything that tells us like if we are above it or below it or what? So when we are in an uptrend, it's definitely green, and we are just using not, but it's too little too extended from the green. Let's do instead. I think this green should be actually a lot closer to the line. So you know. Oh, I see it, I see it. It's like smoothness. Smoothness. I know people who can actually do Ichimoku Cloud, they are looking at me like, man, what the WTF are you effing doing with that shit, man? Like, stop doing it. I get it, guys. I get it. I just want to see, you know, how these... and we're gonna pull it up. If you got, do we get like, if you go to 1, we get like 1 1. Yeah, that's perfect. We like that. But it's following the cloud, right? We like that. But it's right now this bottom right will give us support. So I'm guessing here. What's in? Oh, this one. Leading span. So this is some kind of, you know, deviation away from the price or something like that, with some kind of maybe smoothing line. I don't know. So where do we want to go support? So we want support down here below it, right? We want support down below where we had it. Leading span like B. That is gonna be blocked. Something like this, right? Give or take 135. We need to go above like 51 to be bullish. Wow. I like my numbers. You can see here exactly on the change we crossed towards the upside, right? I like my numbers, man. I like my numbers. I like this Ichimoku. I'm gonna start using it. See here, went up here sideways. Once you broke that on the downside, that's when you became bearish, you know. So all good until you hold the support. Once you break the support, bearishness kicks in, right? Looks good. We like that. We like this. See here, we are kind of a little bit on the downside down here, but you know, we managed to get, you know, get back above those moves. But this, you know, too much volatility. Maybe you should pull it a little bit more down. Where is it? There is it. Let's see. Let's put a little bit more down. I want these to fit as well. This actually has to go lower. No, it's baseline. Displacement. No, not displacement. We don't want to displace anything. Too much line. There are 2 lines. Okay, doesn't matter. This looks nice. So this is, you know, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. You sell here, you buy here. You can see even down here you can still buy. You sell here again. So right now we're in the sell phase. That's all I need to know. That's all I need to know, man. We are in the sell phase right now on the daily time frame. Let's see weekly. On the weekly we are still in buy. On the weekly we are still in buy. Good, guys. We are holding support. Now Ichimoku for XRP. What's up, Captain? Welcome to the chat again. In that Ichi setup, it's telling you that we are still in a downtrend and the price needs to repair before entry. Here's to my downfall. This is very good to learn. I don't know what these lines mean, man. I haven't done. I have absolutely zero clue what Ichimoku does, or what the lines mean, what the clouds mean. But you know, there is some support and some resistance. You move it, you see it how it fits. You know, if it fits good, maybe that's the way it should be. I don't know. I don't know why some numbers are better than other numbers. Just like moving averages should use 20 or 100 or 666. Like who knows? So that's how it works. Wow. I'm extremely bullish. Hi, Mr. Moving Average, the man in black, Ichimoku. Something is wrong. What is wrong, man? Nah, so this Ichimoku cloud, at least the way you know what? We're gonna do it like this. And we're gonna go to Twitter. Where's Twitter? Yeah, let's just go to Twitter and say easy. I don't even know if that's correct, man. I'm just gonna be laughed at by Ichimoku crowd, lol TLA, before you change all the settings. Yeah, that's how I do TI, man. I changed whatever fits my, you know, my view on where we should be at, and you know, it will ride with that. So right now you can see here, we're bullish, man. We're bullish. We're holding support down here nicely, trying to get up above the cloud. You know, all good on that. You know, where's the moon, man? Watch my crypto and he'll make you bullish, sir. CLP 2500 CLP. How much is that? That's enough. I'll have dreams about Ichimoku cloud. The Ichimoku adopter. Thanks, man. I appreciate the money. Yeah, the Ichimoku adopter. Yeah, soon we'll be, you know, Ichimoku pros here on this channel. We'll be, you know, spreading the what's it called? Spreading the news, not, you know, spreading the evangelion about the Ichimoku cloud. But this upper stuff is not. Doesn't matter. This upper stuff doesn't matter at all, man. We can just do it like this. We don't need this. We need that. Plot. Yeah, it's nice. There we go. This is our new setup for Ichimoku, guys. We like this setup. So we're gonna keep on watching it. Let's see on the daily. On the daily we are a little bit bearish, but we already know that. We don't know how we're gonna get back up, but right now we know that we need to get above on Ichimoku. We need to get above 51k. If you get above 51k, all good, guys. Gospel, yeah. Shoot, yeah, we need to preach the gospel about Ichimoku cloud to other people and, you know, get them to... Yeah, so we need to get a, you know, by look of this, you know, we need to get above, you know, 51 or something like that to become bullish again on the daily. On the weekly, we are already bullish. How this looks on the 2 days, 4 hourly. 4 hourly goes a little bit up, a little bit down. You can see here, been down and a little bit up, a little bit down. So it's definitely zigzagging right now. And this zigzagging, once it starts zigzagging up and down on this Ichimoku, it looks like it's consolidating. We already know that, but the question is, where will this actually break out? So we don't actually have any kind of indication where this is actually gonna break out. Bearish, and then it climbed above it and continue towards the upside. Doesn't matter. Wow, look at that, man. Look at that. This is on the 4 hourly time frame. You can see here it went down, right back up again. Okay, now we're going a little bit down again on the Ichimoku support line. Ichimoku support line. There's a W pattern on the daily chart. W pattern on the daily chart on Bitcoin. Let's see that. W pattern. So you're just looking on this over here and you're saying this is W pattern. I would like, if it came something like this down here, create something like this, that would be W pattern, but over here I wouldn't call this a W pattern. I mean, we did get a higher high though. We did get a higher high. That's what I like about this. We did have a high and then we got a higher high, which is actually quite nice. So this can definitely, it created a higher high without any kind of divergence or anything like that. So that looks nice. Still bullish cross up here, following. Yeah, it's okay. But on the 4 hourly we did break the trend, guys. On the 4 hourly we did break the trend. Something like this, maybe. You can see here we went up, and then broke the trend down here, and then, you know, Ichimoku also turned on us a little bit. ETH looking strong, eh? I don't know, man. ETH is like 1.6. Is there anything that has this daily bullish thing? Let's check all of the coins on the daily. Red, 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 red. Luna should be green. Luna is green. See, Luna is green. Luna is nice. So Luna is one of these coins that are Ichimoku Cloud says nice. I sent you DM Twitter video about Ichimoku Cloud. You do that, man. In my opinion, all cryptocurrency holders are about to witness the greatest wealth transfer in the history of mankind because of inflation. In my opinion, it was the bottom for Bitcoin at 37.8. It might be that. Red, 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 red. But getting closer, getting closer. Okay, XRP getting closer, right? Red, 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 red. Ooh, that's Zcash is very, very close to getting you know, into the bullish territory of this cloud, man. Oh, resistance of bullish territory, right? 20 might get into good projects. Think 2025 will be person. You like to, you know, predict stuff, man. NG down, down, red, red, Mana red, Sand red, Super red, TLM red, Algo red, Alice red, Anchor red, 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 red. Okay. A lot of people talking about MTV, but it is going down. Wow, this is a lot of red though. Oh! No, I thought I saw green. Ethereum Classic almost very close to $44 up here to enter, you know, to get out of the red, but it's not, you know. It's the year after halving, not much to predict. Yeah. Ooh, OGN came at the resistance and, you know, have a pullback now. PLX. Is there anything, literally anything that's in green, man? Beside Luna. Luna is the only one in green, right, guys? Luna is the only one in green right now. I mean, AP Cake, Jasmine, nothing. So. This, ooh, waves in green. What WTF is happening with waves, man? WTF is happening with waves. I did not even see this, man. 330%. Yeah, this is done, man. WTF is happening with waves, man. Had this, you know, what WTF, man? Look at this move. December 19. It's been just going towards the upside. Had a pullback. 78%, not much. Right back at all-time high. WTF is waves, guys. What WTF is waves? This looks like hugely bullish. Now it is, you know, extended from the, you know, everything right now, but it might consolidate here. But WTF, man, WTF. I need to figure out what waves is, man. This looks like it's crazy bullish. Waves. We're gonna check back on waves. Band. Red, 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 red. SLP red. City dusk. Glimmer, not yet. Ape. Oh, I had the hopes for reason, but it is red, and Ergo is red as well. So waves, guys, waves. Let me check out waves again. I mean, I need to pull it back on my list somewhere. What is waves, man? I want to tap on the list so I can follow it. Beat the moon. Waves, 1 billion market cap. Yeah, it might be 1 million, so that means it can do like another 30x, you know, to get 30 million and still be, you know, not even top 10. Maybe it's gonna be top 10 at 30 million. So So let me analyze a normal way this up here. So we were looking at this breakout, right, and it broke out and it pumped like crazy, and it just continues pumping like crazy. Let's see if the trend is getting broken up here. So trend got broken up here, so this looks like it's stopped for right now. I mean 300, that's 4.3x. It went 4.3x right from the bottom to the top up here, so you know people will start taking profits on this up here. So I think it needs to consolidate a little bit up here above the moving average. So you know the two coins that are above the weekly moving averages, that's Luna and Waves right now. These two coins, guys, these two coins, that's where the game is right now. Waves and Luna. I don't know why, but Waves is altcoin. Yeah, but why is it so? I don't know what Waves is, man. I don't know. So TMI. Just speak numbers like bam. What we need to go coin cap, and we need to check out Waves, man. I don't know what Waves is. I want to know what Waves is, man. When I see some Waves, because that looks like there's just an huge amount of bullishness in Waves. Website Waves Tech. Waves community-based stack of decentralized open source technologies to build scalable user-friendly apps. What does this mean? Stack of decentralized open source technology. Open source technologies, yeah, it's a stack of decentralized technologies. Stack. What this is code word up here. Stack about Waves. Fast, low cost, and eco-friendly Waves. Launched in 2016, Waves is a global open source platform for decentralized application based on a proof of stake consensus. So you got already proof of stake. Waves part to make most of blockchain minimal carbon footprint. So they are not Bitcoin. So everybody loves them because they are green. So it's a green company. Waves technology stack. You see, stack, very important word in this thing up here. Can benefit in any use cases that demand security and decentralization. Open finance, personal application, blah blah blah. So you can do everything. Okay. So documentation, DAO ecosystem, Waves Association, who we are, our goals, your goals. I want to know your goals. Technology support and development for Waves technologies, infrastructure apps and various other tools. The grant program aims to decentralize digital blah blah blah. The Waves community. Nothing. Who are we? Grants about Waves. No, we just read that. Become a member. We should probably read some white papers. Roadmap, we like roadmap. Roadmaps are always nice, right guys? Waves Korean stablecoin issuer. Waves is transforming 1 to 2. In the next 12 months, Waves is poised to become one of the most thriving blockchain ecosystems in the world. Waves 1.0, where we are today. The Waves blockchain started in 2022 with more than 2 million user wallets and a vibrant community across successful projects such as Waves Exchange, Wires Finance, and WavesDux.com. With what's WavesDux.com, man? Don't say it's B-site. Meet the Duck, the main character in collectible. Yes, some NFT. Start playing. Oh, it's a game. I need to log in. Don't make me. Do I have a sign up? I don't want to log in with seed. I don't have a seed. Yeah, I don't know, man. Okay, I cannot log in. Okay, with 100k plus transaction and daily blah blah blah. Waves boost throughput section. The current total value locked in network is 2 billion. About 80% tokens are locked in stake. 80% of tokens are locked in staking. All of these have been achieved without any VC funding in the last 5 years. Waves 2.0, where we are going. Okay, so what's coming next? Now it's time to become the ultimate platform for developers, creators, and millions of users to reach these ambitious goals. We are building a multi-nuclear structure. Key points: Wave 2.0, new consensus with Ethereum virtual machine support. Okay, open collect the new governance models, a DAO framework, cross-chain finance, bridge to all chains. You gotta have that. Gravity bridges, universal. I have absolutely no meta, a bridge between digital worlds. So a lot of bridging. US company acceleration mode, US company acceleration mode. Have no clue what any of that means. You can and then it goes into describing. Okay, so basically, whoever is trading this, they are super bullish on this, and the chart just keeps on going towards the upside. Do we have more data? This is going from 2020. This is the Corona dump. To the top up here. 7 times. So it just did like 2-3 times what Bitcoin did. So it hasn't pumped that much. It hasn't pumped that much. It has 3 billion market cap. 3 billion market cap. Let's see all chart up here. So what we are seeing right now is just this last part up here, right? And you see this big move up here. But you know, this has been around for a very, very long time. This is 13 bucks right now. The price is 32 bucks. You know, at the bottom was less than 1. So you get like, you could have gotten like 30x, something like that. But it does look bullish, guys. It does look bullish. The $300 something like stablecoin narrative for both Luna and stablecoin narrative. What does stablecoin narrative means for both Luna and Waves? So these two coins, what are the similarities between these two coins? RIP technology to be used by Canadian top gain cross. That's why XRP moon soon. Yeah, we just read that article, man. Is up. Harmon 1 VeChain. VeChain pays the 5-cent mark again, folks. Convert and give your heart to DeFi. FXS. FXS. The reason for Waves pumping up, in my opinion, because Ukraine is buying Waves because of what happens to rubles. I have absolutely no clue how you managed to, bridge Wave and rupees. R1CKB. Oh, we are back to Ichimoku cloud, guys. We are back on the Ichimoku cloud. Even the weekly is up here. Looks nice, looks good. So if you go down, we might go down to something like 20 bucks before we continue to pump towards the moon on Waves. That's let me just go up here and check out. Now Apecoin, people are still talking about Apecoin. We're gonna check out Apecoin in a second. But Waves has 3 billion market cap, should be somewhere around here. There's the Waves, number 38. That's Waves for you guys. That's Waves. LRC. Oh, it's down big time. VeChain. How much is VeChain down? 79%. Oh man. So we got 2 coins that are in green right now. But Waves. Let's go back to Bitcoin right now for a little while up here. Still nothing. Getting rejected by this movement, but it's hugging from the bottom side, which is actually good. 1 hourly on Bitcoin looks nice right now. So it went up, down, went up, down, went up. Right now it's keeping this moving. If you can get the bounce from these moving averages towards the upside, get above the moving averages up here, it just might continue towards the upside. So this might be some kind of bottom. It is the bottom. Is this the bottom on the 1 minute chart? No, it's not 1 minute chart. This is hourly chart. Is this the bottom on the hourly chart? Let's check it out. I mean, you could technically draw it like this, or even down something like this down here, give or take. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna remove the first thing first. First, we gotta check it on the Ichimoku cloud. Let me save the Ichimoku cloud settings. Let me save Ichimoku cloud settings. How do I do that? over here, and then I have to do my template, save indicator template, Ichi, remember symbol, remember symbol, save indicator Ichimoku. Okay, save. And then we can also add Ichi, where is it? Ichi, we can add it as favorite. There we go, we got Ichi, we got you know, our stuff and Ichi. Yeah, we're gonna keep on using Ichimoku a lot, you know. So, you know, we like our setup, you know, so that's why I want to save it. Does volume matter? Of course volume matters, but yeah, but you know, you have to analyze the volume. But what I want to see here, yeah, what I want to see is, you know, Ichimoku 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hourly will look bullish, man. 1 hourly time frame looks bullish. Still looks very bullish. 1 hourly Ichimoku looks bullish. ARB is 30% plus. Over how long period of time? He keeps talking about ARB. It's on Bittrex, man. Who is on Bittrex? Nobody. Daily. It is 80%, you know, in the last, I don't know, since it started pumping. Today is 30%, but you know, a lot of coins do 30%. A lot of coins do 30%. Not interesting. But what I'm thinking right now, guys, is that you know what? I need to have more. You know what I'm gonna do? Oftentimes I do this like this, and then I have to do this. You know, it doesn't matter. I just do it like this. It's okay. So the thing here, we are expecting this to consolidate, right? We are expecting some kind of consolidation up here. We're expecting the breakout towards the upside because it does look a little bit bullish, right? What I want to try to figure out if this downtrend over here is getting bottom up here, where we are gonna go continue towards the upside. So what we're gonna do over here, we're gonna zoom in on these candles up here. We're gonna zoom in on 1 hourly time frame, maybe in 30 minutes time frame, maybe in 15, to see if we can get the reversal up here and you know, do a nice move towards the upside. So that's what I'm looking at. So let's clean up the chart. Let's go up here. And this is 1 hourly time frame. You can see these two red candles are down here, and this looks like, you know, it's great. This is a bottom, but some kind of bottom forming down here. This is engulfing, nothing. So we don't want to use that, but you know, we want to use something that's nice. Maybe something like this. You know, it's 1 hourly time frame, so it's not that, you know, perfect. Okay, be that way. Let me just move for a second up here. We don't need this one. Okay, let's go back to 1 hourly time frame. So this trend line up here, this looks like bottom, you know, this is not, but this over here looks like some kind of bottom is forming. So let's yeah, you see the RSI on the 1 hourly is getting higher highs. So this up here creates a big divergence. We pumped towards the upside. Now this was bearish divergence, so we went down. Now there is no divergence up here. This is about to break out, guys. This is gonna happen. Now when I say it's gonna happen, I don't mean it's gonna go to 50k. I just mean, you know, we might see a breakout, you know, up here and back up to 42k or something like that. So I might be at some kind of bottom down here. So let's analyze that. You know, I also like that we managed to get above these moving averages. So I just want to see this moving average curve and this do something like this up towards the upside. And this 50 moving average coming pretty close, pretty fast towards us down, you know, on the downside down here. So this should be creating some kind of... Maybe we are going into the triangle. Maybe we are going to a triangle up here. So if this is a triangle, yeah, it does looks nice. It does looks very nice. See here, and then you got a you know, bottom support, top resistance, bottom support. So this looks like a, you know, 1 hourly triangle right now that's happening. Look at that, man. Look at that. Look at these look at these moves, man. Oh man, that's nice. That's beautiful. So we are expecting this triangle to play out. It's gonna play out a lot sooner than you know, the big triangle is gonna play out. So we want to preferably to get out of this triangle towards the upside over here. If you do that, we might retest the 42 line. If you go on the downside, it might be bad, and we might drop below the moving averages. Because if you look at it on the 4-hourly time frame up here, down is back on the moving averages. You cannot actually see the other line. Can we do something like 12 hours or something like that? 12 months now. 12 hours. It's pretty close down there. But you gotta extend the smack down below the 10 moving average. Yeah. Let's just keep on following this 1-hourly triangle and see what is gonna happen. I think the clouds need further investigation before late adopting it. Yeah, it needs for, you know, we're gonna play a little bit with the clouds. I'll check it out a little bit more. I'll try to figure out what WTF the clouds are actually doing and meaning, because I have absolutely no clue. I know it's, you know, some moving areas, some XD, some stuff like that. You know, some code is into that, but you know, we just use the numbers that we like, eh? I think that cloud needs further investigation. Yeah, it looks like W pattern has been broken towards upside and consolidate. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know. I don't see alts bleeding or anything like that. Alts are doing actually quite nice. Uno is up 15%. A long time since I checked out Uno. Yeah. Is there anything less? You know, Jasmine is up 13% again. So maybe Jasmine is gonna blast through the moon, man. Maybe Jasmine is gonna blast through the moon. Let's check out Apecoin, guys. Let's check Apecoin. It's not down that much today. It's not. This is a 4-hourly time frame. It's not that much down today. And there is a bullish divergence, so Apecoin might go to the sky, guys. Am I mistaken? Am I mistaken? I need to check this chat. RSI divergence has bottom going towards the upside. Hidden divergence, bullish, hidden bullish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence on the 4-hourly up here on 4-hourly on the Apecoin. At $9, hidden bullish divergence. So maybe that is, you know, some, you know, Apecoin. It's also on Binance, but let's see 1-hourly. What's 1-hourly telling us? Can you see Ichimoku on this? Ape. There is no Ichimoku on the Ape. But this is 1-hourly. Let's see 1-hourly down here. It's only at 43 right now, so it's all good and dandy. Trying to get up higher. Let's see 4-hourly. 4-hourly is pretty. It's a 50. It's a middle there. We don't have anything else beside that. Let's look at 5-minute chart. This is trying to climb it a little bit up here. 1-hourly. So it looks like it broke this trend over here, but it's short-term trend, right? Did create this level up here, the 10.8, 50 moving average. Let's clean up everything. It's not this one. It's this one up here. So it looks like it, you know, went down, had a blow off, came out to 10 moving average, going here. We got this bullish zones. I think Ape might find some kind of support right now. I think it might, you know, there's probability it might, you know, climb above 10.7 again. If it can climb above 10.7 up here, it might look nice. If it can climb above 10.7, it might look nice. You know, the sell-off was pretty much given, assuming, you know, that we are, you know, having just too much euphoria and bullishness in Ape. Has he done ADA? I don't do altcoins, I just do random coins, whatever I feel. It's interesting at the moment. There is no list, man. There's no list, but I didn't do ADA. But we can do ADA because I know one guy that likes Cardano. We can look at it, Cardano. How's Cardano doing right now? The downtrend is, did Cardano break the downtrend? Let's check it out. Nah, not yet. At least the way I joined the triangle. Yeah, I mean, it's very close, but it hasn't broken yet. On the daily time, it is curving towards the upside, but you know, it's getting towards the resistance up here. This is daily resistance up. Everything is around 95, 96 bucks up here. Everything is up here. So it needs to break that level to, you know, get somewhere. Get somewhere. Luna 4% up today. What more is interesting? Dogecoin. Dogecoin not breaking anything. Hex is still in a downtrend, but bullish divergence up here. Bullish divergence up here. Let's see the weekly. How is Hex looking on the weekly? There are two trend lines on Hex right now. It's engulfing. This should be down here. Yeah, this is the one. This is the ultimate line. Let's do monthly. Monthly again. Let's do 2 weeks. Nothing. It looks like it's down. Is it extended? It is extended. It was extended down here. That's why I pumped it, but it went back down. It looks like it's creating this very nice support down here on the weekly time frame. You can see here. Oh man. You were in April 2017. AVEX looks ready. Oh! Oh! So close. On the daily it does look like it broke it, right? Let's try to adjust it just to be sure. I mean, there is no. It looks like it, you know, this started above it, you know, it's kind of slowly going above it. It stopped below the line. But on daily it does look like it might maybe have broken it. Maybe just consolidating here and waiting for these moving averages, you know. Because right now you can see that all the moving averages are, you know, up here, so you know. Or you know, boom. We'll see. But it does look nice though. It does look nice. Let's see Ichi on this. Why does Ichi always go? Ichi. Save. Yes, okay, now it should be good. Okay, so we press Ichi now. Now we get Ichi on AVEX. Nice. Ah, it's still bearish. It needs to get above 100 bucks. 100 bucks. Spell is up 41%. Also stablecoin narrative like Luna and Waves. Then I'm gonna check. What is spell narrative? If somebody can explain me spell narrative, what that is, man, I'll be happy. Yeah, but it looks totally, you know, the chart looks very much different from Waves and Luna, man. Chart looks very much different. It might have the same narrative, but you know, Waves and Luna are right now above on the weekly time frame. They are above all the moving averages, right? Look at 20, look 10, look where spell token is, right? Waves and Luna are so much higher up. Did you check Apecoin 3 today? No, I did not check it. So let's check Apecoin 3 today up here. It's just consolidating up here. It has very slow moves. Very slow moves. Had a nice move. Went back to support. It's just going kind of sideways. Very slow moves. Not much happening. There is no. It just might continue this, you know, for a very, very long time. Is Shiba dead? It's not that. It just, you know, Shiba had such extreme amounts of euphoria, and once that happens, you know, you're gonna see some, you know, some bleeding on the downside. So over here, maybe, you know, it can. No divergence up here, so it is just, you know, still bleeding on the downside. It might go all the way up to some, you know, some 20 moving average. Might pump towards the upside. We'll see how this actually do. And where is the support for this? I don't know, man. I'm late. What did I miss? Everything. You missed everything. How you doing, Martin? What's up, man? Shiba was marked everywhere. Yeah, Shiba was, you know, and that's why I say anytime you see any kind of euphoria, this is very important, you know, market sentiment kind of thing. When you see huge euphoria, huge enthusiasm, huge bullishness on something, you have to understand that the top is already hit, and right now it's being sold, and it's only a matter of time before the chart reverses. Ichi shenanigans. Yeah, Martin missed Ichi shenanigans. We started doing the Ichi cloud, man. See, we have our own Ichi cloud, and this cloud is, you know, so legit. It shows, you know, only that Luna and waves right now are in green cloud. Everything else is, you know, everything else is not green. So we like Ichimoku cloud. Okay guys, 1 hour and 20 minutes. It was a nice long stream. I don't know what's gonna happen. The most important thing to watch for right now is the 1 hourly triangle up here. 1 hourly triangle. This is the what I'm looking at right now. This 1 hourly triangle. I don't know what I clicked. Copy chart image. Let's just post that on Twitter as well. This is what I'm watching now. Tweet. So we'll see how that actually plays out. Thank you, man. Greatly appreciate. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Peace, peace. See you around LF Mall. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow, same time, same place, or another time. It's been enjoyable, chill stream. Bye bye.